Hi there, this is Tech Talking again with another review of an action camera. It's an action camera from a company called Electra, and the model number is dv6000. This is a 12 megapixel HD camera with 180p 180p resolution in 30 frames per second, but it also supports 60 frames per second, but that one is in 720p and 30p. So it doesn't support 60 frames per second in 1080p. It just supports 60 frames in 720p. Today I will just show you about some of the functions, the buttons on this camera, what are the functions of these buttons, and a little bit talk about the house and the memory card function, etc. So let's start. Yeah, so just take this aside first, and the camera comes like this in the box. If you've seen my previous video about unboxing Electra dv6000 on YouTube, you probably know what kind of accessories comes with it. This one, it comes with this box, and it holds up its waterproof case up to 30 meter. The camera itself is not waterproof, so you have to have this the waterproof house. Yeah, so before we start, we have to remove the camera from the house, and so to do that, you can see there's a play button there, and there's this knob. So you just push this knob to the left and then push this up again, and it's very easy. And then this clip removes from the back, and then you just open the window on the back and give it a push down, and that's your camera. So that's the house first of all, and that's the camera itself. Electra, in some countries it has some SJ4000 or something, some name. So it's the same camera with different names in different countries. So probably it's just the manufacturer that has someone ordered them and gave them their own name. So it's just like that. Starting with the buttons, it has two buttons on the left, one on the front, one on the top, some USB ports, and the screen. So talk about one by one. This is the on-off button. It also is the mood button. The mood button means if you want to switch between video and photo mode, you just press once and then it moves. It's also if you want to watch your pictures, you also use the mood. And this one is the OK button. So if you are in suppose you are in the photography mode and you push this, you go into the photography mode, and then you take pictures. Just like this is the this is the OK button. So you push this and then you take a picture, or you start the video. If you want to stop, you press it again and it stops the video. And this is the lens. The lens is a 135 degree wide angle lens, this one. And if you come on the back, it has this 2-inch screen. It's not very clean as well, but it's covered with this plastic protector as well. So this is a 2-inch screen. Here there are two indicating lights. I'm not sure I can show you that, but maybe I can show you that. So suppose I do this, I plug this charger, and you can see this is the charging indicator that switch on, and this is just the indicator the camera is on. So if I remove this, so you see that blue light switch off. Try again, and then it's a switch again. So normally it takes 3 to 4 hours to charge it fully. So you need to have, if you want to go somewhere, make sure you plug it in at night before, and it's switched off again because it doesn't have too much charge. And on the right side, if you're facing the camera towards itself, so on the right side there is this memory card slot. To insert the memory card, you need that golden side of the card to be towards the lens side, and you just push in and squeeze it in, and then it holds itself. So it's just like the standard kind of SD card slot, so that just holds it once you, and if you want to remove, just press it again, and there you go, it comes out. So it's just very easy. The ports here, this is the, if you see that, this is the charging port, and this is the HDMI port. So this camera, it has this a unique function which normally most of the cheap cameras don't have, the HDMI port, which you can plug in and then you can watch your videos on the big screen using the HDMI cable. Up there, this is the mic, as you have seen in my other action camera, that was the 720p action camera from ROXCORE. It has this same function. On the back, if you want to see the battery, there is the battery. If you want to remove, just put your nail or something inside, and then it just comes out, and there's this stripe, and just hold it and take out the battery. So it's 900 milliampere battery, not very big, but it's enough to make a 1 hour or a little bit more than 1 hour 10 minutes videos, and I exactly don't know how many pictures you can take using this. Yes, so that's the camera. Just so the golden strip, so that should be on the right. You can see there's, I'm not sure yet, there. So just plug in and just push it, because it clicks there. So when you hear the click, it means it is probably inserted. In some cameras you just drop it and it fixes, but this one you have to a little bit push it. So that's it, and then just close it again and just push it. So that's, and if you see this, this is the speaker for the camera, and I'm not sure, but this is the speaker as well. I think that's not the speaker, these are the speakers. So if you want to play back something. And on the left side of there are two up and down buttons. These are used when you want to play with the functions, or you want to scroll between videos or photos. So you use these up and down buttons. So yeah, that's a short review of this camera. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. And if you have any question, please don't forget to ask any questions. So I'll try to answer you as quickly as I can. See you next time. Take care. Thank you. Bye.